Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today we're going to be going over some of the things that you might have missed out from last week. And also we're quickly going to go over the videos that I hope you got a chance to watch, but if you haven't from last week, I hope you do so. Let's get into the video. Starting with Tuesday, we watched another video from iBoard Repair, where we watched him go over how to resolve an iPhone 14 Pro no image issue on the motherboard. He was able to walk us through his thought process on how to solve this step by step, breaking it down in a very simple way. So if you haven't checked out that video, I highly recommend it. On Wednesday, I went over a simple process on how to replace the flex cables on an Apple Watch. The techniques and the things that I talked about apply to a lot of other devices beyond Apple Watches. So if you're looking to get into microsoldering, this is a very good place to start. So go ahead and check out that video, and hopefully it gives you the confidence to start doing those types of repairs. On Thursday, we went over fixing the charge port on an iPad Air 3. This is one of the 3 different ways to repair a charge port. It all depends on why the charge port isn't working. So I showed how to diagnose and how to fix that in a very simple way. And then Friday, I showed how to replace the LCD panel only on a MacBook Pro model A2485. I thoroughly went over how to replace the LCD only. I really enjoyed making this video. So if you're one to shy away from more difficult repairs like this, hopefully this video will give you the confidence to start doing those type of repairs. Now, just a couple products for you to be made aware of. We have the iPhone 16 screens. These are the Exo 7 2.0. that are IC transfer compatible. They're the Soft OLEDs, which is the ones that I prefer. Now available and at a great price, so check those out. And now in stock, there are more Wera Screwdrivers available with MobileSentrix. These are commonly used in a lot of the different repairs, so I highly recommend checking these out. I really like the way that these feel in the hand, so if you're looking for a new screwdriver set, these are definitely ones to check out. And we now have in stock Premium OLED Screens for the Apple Watch Series 10. So if you have people that have already broken their new Apple Watch, you'll be able to provide them with the solution. And I'm sure in the future, I'll be doing a glass only on an Apple Watch Series 10. So make sure that you're subscribed, you have those notifications turned on so you don't miss out on videos like that when I release them. Well, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If there's a product on MobileSentrix website that you've seen that you'd like to see demoed in a video, let me know as well. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.